Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, ngayon ay tingnan natin yung ginawa na extension cord ng participant namin sa school. Andyan si Angelo guys. Ayan. So yan, nagpa-practice na yan siya guys. Kasi bukas na yung contest. Okay, let's go! Nakula. So busy na yan si Angelo guys. Kanina pa yan siya. So ako naman ay naghanap kanina ng maisusuot niya na PPE. So ito na guys. PPE para sa kanya at may gloves. Kaso napakalaki ng PPE. Diri ba ni na guguba? Oh my god. Okay. Let's go guys. Nandyan si Angelo. Okay. I'm busy. Anihin ka mo din ito na higda? Ah. Sige. Nakaamo na ya? Tikang hiya ka tikangan dong. Tapos na amo na? Sige, ani mo explanation, Angelo. Sige, go. Dali na. Introduce. Na Angelo, storya. Yan na, judge ba ako? Char. Introduce, explain.
Explain na lang mo.
Pakilala. Para maanad ka.
Good day everyone. I am Angelo Versgado from Pinahuman Elementary School. I am proud to present my project, the extension cord with switch assembly. This project is designed to enhance convenience, safety, and functionality. I follow the steps carefully. PMAT. P stands for planning. M stands for materials preparation. A stands for assembly. T stands for testing. Making an extension cord helped me understand the flow of electricity, the importance of proper connection, and the significance of grounding to avoid electrical hazard. In conclusion, this experience has strengthened my confidence and technical skill while reminding me of
Innovation.
the importance of innovation and safety in every project. Thank you.